Hello, today we're going to be looking at an example of semantic mapping, and we are starting with our example of how to use semantic mapping for a noun. And the word we are going to be using is pen. I would suggest we always start with what does the word mean. So what is a pen? It is an item used to write using ink. And then we're going to move around our template. What do you use it for, or what does it do? We've already said this. We use a pen for writing. Describe it. Now, there's lots of different types of pen, so you might talk about all of those different types of pens with your student, or you might talk about what's most commonly used in your classroom. So I'm going to say it has ink. The ink might be in different colours. Colours, you might ask the student what colours. You might say black, blue, red are the most common. You might talk about with an older student, you might say, is it the same thing as a pencil? No, it's not. It's different to a pencil because it has ink. You might say, well, there's not one shape of pen, that can be lots of different shapes, but usually they're long and easy to hold. Next one, what does it remind you of? It might remind us of a pencil. It might remind us of doing schoolwork or homework. Might remind us of writing. Your student might say it might remind them of getting their work back and having a teacher mark it. You might have a student who uses pens for art or an art class, so it might remind them of art or drawing. And lucky last, where can you usually find it? In the classroom. We usually find a pen in our pencil case, or maybe the teacher's desk. So you can see we've mapped pen and we've made all these different connections to the word pen.